What's good, guys? It's EBFX, and right now the time is about 6 p.m. and I'm trying to go get a haircut. But let me share something real quick with you guys. So there's a reason why HabbyFX trades the way he trades, and there's a reason why Jeffrey Benson trades the way he trades. Dapo Willis, who again, whoever. There's a reason why Tech Reese trades the way he trades, and there's a reason why Sam Keys trades his own particular way. Do you understand? So these guys, if you notice, even though there are some similarities in the way they trade, but it's never exactly the same. You get? Everybody has his own pattern, everybody has his own way of doing things, right? And there's a reason for that. The simple reason is that everybody has figured out what works for him. Do you understand? So there's definitely a point in time whereby you get to now realize that this is what works for me, and you stick to that particular thing that works. So if what works for you is scalping, just taking quick trades daily, you stick to that. There are some people that in a week they take only 2 trades and they're still profitable. They're still very, very much profitable. So everybody cannot be trading the same way. So this is for you who is a beginner out there. You're following so many people, you're trying to trade like this, trade like that. You're trying to just do everything. You must get to the point whereby you figure out what works for you and you stick with it. Because you cannot just do everything. It's not possible. Once you follow someone for some time, you try his trading methods and you see that you're not finding headway, you have to either refine and fine-tune it and do what works for you, or you just leave it entirely. I know that in trading we say you should not be jumping from strategy to strategy, but the truth is, if a trader trades in a certain way and you try to learn from him, there's no every guarantee. It's not a guarantee that you must be able to trade like him and make it like that, because sometimes just by the way he even speaks, you don't really vibe with him, and that will now kind of hinder your learning process. So you must find out what works for you no matter what, and you stick to it. Because if it wasn't so, you see that everybody is trading in a particular way, but you find that some persons are trading only gold and they're making a lot of money, just one pair. One other guy is trading only Euro USD and he's making a lot of money, just one pair. While there's another trader out there that is trading multiple pairs. If you even try that thing for one day, your head will want to block, your head will want to knock, because you cannot trade multiple pairs, right? So you just have to find out what works for you and stick with it no matter what. You don't just jump around. There's a time for jumping around, and that should be the first year or first 2 years of your trading. In fact, try and keep it low, like first year. From all of the mentors you see online, from everybody you see online, try to find who you resonate with, who you kind of vibe with whenever he talks, whenever he teaches, from his teaching style and all. Once you find that person, then you settle down while you're learning his concept and his strategy. Don't jump, just stay on that. Give it time, give it like 2-3 months. The longer you stay on it, the more you begin to realize, that it makes sense. You vibe with it, you understand what he's saying. Then from there, you now niche down, like try to personalize it, try to understand it, try to perfect it. That will take you some months. Then from there, you become the kind of trader you want to be. So you have to find out what works for you. There's no way around it. Once you find out which works for you, then you're good to go. Then you continue trading that thing until you milk the market, until you get the best out of it. So that's just my 2 cents that I want to share with you guys today. Let me go get a haircut. See you guys in the next video, guys.